Hello, my name is Greg, and for today's experiment, we are going to be making a fizzy orange. Now, you only need two materials for this fizzy orange. Those materials being an orange, which I've got, and some baking soda, which is in the bowl. I had selected a large navel orange for this experiment, though theoretically any citrus fruit should work. So first things first, you need to peel the orange. As I'm using a large navel orange, this peeling process takes a lot of time. So my suggestion would be to get a parent or guardian to help peel the orange for you. Otherwise you'd have to sit through about 5 to 10 minutes of peeling the orange. And take the orange part into pieces too. Then, now that we've got the orange peeled, what you want to do next is, that's tasty. That's a tasty orange. The next step is rather simple. You dip a slice into the baking soda. What this will do is, once you've dipped that slice into the baking soda, you take a bite in it, and the orange slice will actually fizz in your mouth. Almost like you were biting into a soda or something. This works because the orange slice is acidic, or below the pH scale of 7, while the baking soda pH is above 7. It's considered a base. When you combine an acid and a base, it creates carbon dioxide bubbles. And in this case, you're facilitating the reaction by biting into the orange. As a result, whenever you take a bite into an orange covered with baking soda, it will fizz in your mouth. It also tastes a little bit bitter. Most bases are bitter in nature compared to most acids' sourness. But yeah, it's actually a fairly simple and delicious experiment. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video and want to see more experiments, please like, subscribe, and head over to TechZenik.com for more STEM experiments and lessons.